Tonic Game Studio.
Let's learn about the new real-time parameter commands in Master Audio. This muzzle flash needs sound, so let's open the Master Audio prefab and lock the inspector so we can drag multiple clips in at once. We have one close-up machine gun sample, one fired from far away. We want these to repeat, so we set looping on the audio clips. What we want to do is crossfade these clips based on distance, so when a distant enemy fires, it sounds convincingly like they are far away. Expand the RTPC section in the Master Audio prefab. Add a new parameter command, and click the gear icon so we can give it a name. Make sure you hit the save icon to save the name. This way we can find the command we want to use. Now we select the listener distance parameter since we want to affect the sound over distance. Then we will add two elements, one for each clip, which will crossfade together. After a quick preview of our gunshot sample, we select the Effect Volume control and click to open the Fade-in, Fade-out fields. We reduce the max volume of the close-up sample as it's much louder than our distance sample. Now let's adjust the fade-out curve for the close shot. We set the max distance first to avoid it overwriting our start distance. Click the Set Curve button to visualize it. After setting our fade-in to 0, the curve looks flat since the fade-out value can't be the same as the fade-in end value. Instead, if we set the fade-out start to 0.01, we can now see a linear curve to 50 units away. Perfect! You can see there are many other audio options to explore here, including high-pass filters for distance sounds if you don't have separate distance recordings. Now let's adjust the fade-in for the distance sample. With testing, we know we want the far value to be 200 units for our project. Again, we set the fade-out end first. Then we adjust the fade-in distance so before the close sample has faded out fully, there will be some overlap with the distance sound. Because both samples will play simultaneously, it's important that their waveforms match up, and since these loop, both clips must be the same length. And let's preview the distant gunshot sample. It's probably a bit too quiet, but will work for this demonstration. Now it's time to set up the event, so select the object which will be moving. In our case, it's the particle effect. Add component. Dark Tonic. Master Audio. Event Sounds. For the event to activate, we will use visible so anytime we see this particle we will hear it. It's probably better set to enable so it can be heard off-screen. For the action type, we will set the new parameter command control, and the action we want it to take is to invoke the parameter command we just set up. And the command name we gave it was RTPC test. And that's it. Our distance crossfading should now be working. Let's test it out. As we move the particle closer to the camera, we hear the far sound crossfading to the close-up shot sound. In the distance, we only hear the far sample, which is quieter than it should be, so you may want to turn up your volume a bit to hear it clearly. What will you build with these powerful new features? Join our Discord channel to show off your project, get technical support, and become a part of a friendly and supportive game dev group.